What up, YouTube world? I'm back with another video. Sad to say, I'm not gonna say no names, but I let someone hold my vehicle and they destroyed the shield splash under the bottom, the splash guard shield, the shield your engine under the bottom. So I said, hey, might as well make a video just in case people go through it and they can see what I'm doing. And so it ripped off the underglow lights with it too. So I'm gonna show y'all the damage, see? And it ripped off all up under here. This side got ripped off, but the other side, the two sides in the back didn't. So I have my brother out here, which he got a YouTube coming soon. And I'm gonna show y'all, it's called the splash guard, and it comes in two. So that's the front of the car, and this is the middle of the car. So it's two, and you can buy them separately or you can buy them together. So we're about to take off all my lights, redo those, and then put these back on. We'll put these back on first because the lights attached to the back of this. And I'll show y'all the before and after results of how everything looked. So just to let y'all know, the aftermarket, well, mine came with splash guards for the tires, mud flaps, and the aftermarket one doesn't. And then these clips, you have to take them out of there and put them into that one. And I also bought, let me show y'all, I bought some other ones from Amazon. All the links that I bought, everything will be in the bio link, but I bought extra clips right here in the middle, extra whole clips. I bought bolts, and I bought the things because, you know, they probably got lost when they dropped off. So where that box goes. So we about to put it back on. We halfway through, so we about to put this thing back on. There y'all go. It's back together. Happy. It's good. Now I just gotta get it washed. Thank you to my brother for coming out, doing it for me. I know I didn't go through the process because I wasn't one doing it. My brother was doing it. I just let him do his thing. I didn't want to be hovering over him with the camera. So if you like it, just leave a like, comment, subscribe.